A magnitude 5.0 earthquake struck today, March 2, 2026, at 6:13 p.m. The quake had a depth of 10 kilometers. It was located 2 kilometers south, 43 degrees east of Tigbauan, Iloilo. Intensity 4 was recorded in Jordan, Guimaras, and Iloilo City. Intensity 3 was felt in parts of Antique, Guimaras, and Iloilo. Intensity 2 was reported in several areas including Aklan, Capiz, Negros Occidental, and Antique, while Intensity 1 was recorded in parts of Aklan, Antique, and Capiz. Fortunately, no damage reports have been received yet.